Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to replace the license plate lights of Lexus RX 330 from normal light bulbs to the LED lights. So you can see here it's a light bulb, it's not LED. The other side as well. You want to change that to an LED light. Let me open the trunk. So what you need to do is to get to the license plate light, you have to remove this piece. You just use your hand to remove it. It's not difficult to remove, but make sure you do it gently. Okay, let me show you. It's difficult to use one hand because the other hand I'm using it to hold the camera. You can see the, yeah, grab it. Like that. Again, do it gently. And try to do that the same thing with the other side. Screw here, so make sure you do it gently all the way. And again, I'm using one hand, so I have to use both hands. Okay, let me remove this real quick. I'll be back. Now it's out. Here there's a light here you have to remove. There's a connection, you have to detach it first. Here it is. These are plastic screws that attach this piece to the trunk. So let me show you the LED lights that I want to replace with. It's small. It has one LED light on each side, but it's bright enough for the license plate. In fact, if you compare to the normal fluorescent light or the light bulb that comes with the car, it's 5 or 6 times brighter. So it would look awesome at night. But make sure it's legal in your country. Let me show you where you can find your license plate light housing. So one is actually right here. If you look closer, you will see right there. Just press it down to loosen it. And then it's right here. Gently remove this. Here it looks like this, and you can see its housing. You want to replace that light with this. Just push it in. Now it's in. Put it back in. Then the other side, you do the same. Right here. You have to press it up this side, not like the other side. Take it out. And it's here. Now it's out. So you press it in. Put it back in. Now you're good to go. So before you put the cover back in, you have to test the lights first. Now you can see right there. You kind of see it like divided into two pieces because I it's a flat light. One shine this way, one shine the other way, but it will shine down to the license plate, so it would be great at night. Okay, now it works. You can put this back in and then you're done. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.